Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply for a cash loan using the Tala app. Let's get started. Step 1. Download the Tala app. Just search Tala PH on the Play Store. Step 2. Tap Create Account. Then enter your basic information. Step 3. Type your phone number. Make sure it's active. You'll receive a code. Step 4. Check your messages and enter the SMS code to verify your account. Step 5. Fill out the loan form. Answer a few simple questions. Step 6. Upload a valid ID. Any government-issued ID will work. Step 7. Wait for your application to be reviewed. It usually takes just a few minutes. Step 8. Once approved, your loan goes straight to your wallet. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Gel Tolentino. Subscribe here and feel free to check out my other channels too. Got a tutorial you want me to cover next? Drop it in the comments. See you on the next one.